Hello, welcome our GearResearch channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best portable RV waste tanks that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Camco 39,000 Rhino Heavy RV Waste Holding Tank. This is a decent-sized waste dump tank that is made of light, yet heavy-duty materials. The wheels are solid, durable plastic, so there is worry about no flat wheels while traversing gravel and uneven ground. The oversized wheels are made with bearings to make transporting from point A to point B smooth and effortless. It is designed with a low drain hole for quick and complete emptying and easy cleaning out afterward. The integrated ladder hook allows you to secure the tank to your RV's ladder firmly, and the body of the tank is molded to slide onto the ladder railings snugly. The collapsible handle makes it easy to store when not in use. The dump tank comes with flexible hoses and attachment rings for quick and secure emptying of both gray and black water tanks. With a durable construction, the tank is crack and fade resistant and won't leak or rupture during use or transport. The overall design is easy to rinse and clean and dries quickly for easy storage. The tank can hold 28 gallons of waste. So, pack your bags and set out to witness the thrilling yet beautiful camping experience. Besides, the Camco Rhino comes with no flat wheels with bearings, though large heavy-duty makes easy and smooth transportation of the tow tank. Also, it's able to function as a suitcase or luggage with the removable steel toe adapter. Number 2, Tote-E2 RV Portable Waste Tote Tank, Wheels. The Thetford portable waste tank is one of the largest in the holding tanks I have reviewed today. It has a 35-gallon capacity, which makes it the ideal choice to those with a large group or family. It is also perfect for families who travel with their recreational vehicle frequently. The holding tank is also for those who want longer intervals to empty or clean their tanks. The unit has 2 wheels. These wheels work quietly and make maneuvering easier. Even when you're parked away from the dump station, you don't need to carry this product because of the wheels that make transporting it easier and more convenient. The Tote-E2 is suitable for all types of recreational vehicles. In addition, it can work well for cabins, mobile homes, tiny homes, camping grounds and marine. Plus, you don't have to assemble it because it is ready to use out of the box. What's remarkable about its design? The product has a 35-gallon capacity and has an excellent design for fast emptying and ease of use. You also don't have to worry about a lack of functionality. This holding tank comes with a retainer strap, which can hold the sewer hose firm in place to prevent leaks and accidents. Another thing that I love about this product is that it can prevent overfilling for its auto stop level gauge. This also works by improving the venting. This product is also easy to maneuver. You can have an optional strap to hook it to the car or RV. Number 3, Tote-E2 Portable RV Waste Tote Tank. The Thetford Tote-E2 is a good portable RV septic tank that is complete with the accessories we need to use a product like it. The portable holding tank has 4 wheels that make it easy to transport and bring to the dump station if you're parked away from it in the camping ground. You will also love the large capacity of the tank at 27 gallons. With it, you don't have to empty it frequently. This size is ideal for large groups and families as well as those living in their RVs. If you're using your RV very often and you don't want to empty the tank frequently, you might also want to look at this product. The portable waste tank is also functional and versatile. It can be used in all types of motorhomes, recreational vehicles, campers and trailers. You can also use it in camping grounds, cabins and mobile homes. Another thing I love about it is its rugged build that makes it longer lasting for many years of service. The product is easy to rinse for its drain hole that can make emptying and cleaning a breeze. The Tote-E2 40518 is also ready to use out of the box. You don't need to do further assembling with it. When shopping for a similar product, it is one of the features we should be looking for because we want an easy-to-use product that can deliver. For functionality and easy maneuverability, you can also rely on this septic holding tank because it has 4 wheels attached to its handle. It allows for easy and quick control and maneuvering if you have to transport it to the dump station far from where you are parked. Number 4, Tote-N-Stor 25608 Portable Waste Transport. This portable waste transporter tank is made of high-quality materials and is designed to provide you with the added wastewater storage capacity needed for longer camping trips. The larger capacity, combined with a convenient storage compartment for all the accessories, makes this a must-have for avid campers and travelers. With a unique towing design that can be towed flat or upright, this tank is easy to move to any dump site. The solid wheels are adapted for any terrain, and there is no concern about flat tires and unbalanced loads. The drain port is conveniently located for easy emptying and stress-free transport that is leak and spill-free. This portable RV dump tank can be used for both gray and black water. It comes with a long 3-inch wide drain hose, one secure hose clamp, and a tow bracket for easy transport. The tank can easily be strapped to the back ladder of your RV and secured in place for easy storage as well as transport. Take your loved ones and hit the road with the RV for a solid 1-week trip. Not to mention that it is built from aluminum and zinc-plated steel along with blow-molded polyethylene. Thus, it offers unmatching durability while ensuring you won't experience any leak anytime soon. Number 5. SMARTTOTE2 Portable RV Waste Tote Tank. The portable waste tote tank is one of my favorites in the category because it is functional and durable. It can last a longer time than other products out there or because of its sturdy yet lightweight polypropylene materials. It is ideal for smaller families who go camping with their recreational vehicle or motor home. This product is designed and made to eliminate the need of driving your RV to the dump station. You can transport it easily without any hassles, especially if your RV is parked far from the waste station for its 2 transport rubber wheels. Just as other Thetford holding tanks, this one also features the auto stop level gauge, which prevents overfilling and makes emptying easier and faster. It also works by improving the ventilation of the tote that allows quick emptying. Users can also use an optional tow strap so that you can easily hook the holding onto the camper or trailer. It is also easy to maneuver and use because of its excellent design and transport wheels. Thetford is also one of the most reliable brands around for the RVing world. If you're looking to get the most bang of your buck, you might want to take a look at this product that has excellent features and design. It also has an ideal size if you have a smaller group. For its size, this holding tank is also lightweight. However, being lightweight does not mean that this model is less durable. It does not compromise its quality for its weight. In fact, the Thetford is one of the most durable products I have found in the category. Like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.